It's 26 September and day 5. So, yesterday's trek was really tiresome, and definitely after having dinner, everyone had gone to sleep last night. But of course, we couldn't keep sleeping really late because still day 2 of trekking was remaining. So, everyone of course woke up at 6:30, and after getting ready they reached the hotel to have the breakfast. So it was drizzling and raining, so everyone had their raincoats on and were ready with their sticks and caps to go all the up there for trekking to the Valley of Flowers. So everyone was too excited, and some of them who weren't feeling well were told to stay back at the hotel with one of the tour guides. So at around 8 or 8:15, total girls were counted, and then with the tour guides and teacher, everyone left for the trekking. So in between, we saw so beautiful views, like that views which we just captured in our phones but also in our memories and hearts. The views were very fascinating. The views were really beautiful, but it came with a struggle, a very big struggle. The roads were too much narrow, rough and slippery. So we needed to be very careful, and everyone was there in a single line walking just and watching at the beautiful views beside them. The air was too cold and it was too much breezy up there, and the slow drizzle was already there, and the drops felt too good because it wasn't raining heavily. It was finally, after a lot of trekking and watching the fascinating views, we reached the Valley of Flowers after 4 kilometers, and the view that we saw there was worth the struggle. Like, now we realize why Valley of Flowers is known as the heart of Uttarakhand. And really the views were just can't be described. It was too much amazing. Like, we were just left speechless by the beauty of the nature. After taking some of the rest, everyone was there with their phone to click the beautiful photos of the most beautiful views. Everyone was on their full try to capture the beautiful moments there, and we had dozens and dozens of pictures and memories and photos clicked. We also had many group photos clicked with our teachers and our principal, and then we had our packed lunch which we had carried with ourselves. So after that, few of the girls and one of the tour guides went to see graveyard where there were some more flowers and more amazing view, which was just 1 kilometer away. Not all girls wanted to go there, so only few of them went, and other girls were there at the Valley of Flowers. There weren't many flowers there because we had gone off season, and most of the flowers grew at the time of June, July and August. But still, the view was as amazing as it could be. After all of this, we again trekked down to our hotel and reached there around 4 or 4:30. Then we took proper rest in our rooms, and after 7:30 or 8, we all went to have dinner. So after having dinner, we all were informed tomorrow's timings, because tomorrow we were finally going to trek down again to the Pulna and then back to our hotel to Joshima. So after all the discussions and dinner, we all went back to our rooms and slept early because we had to wake up early tomorrow. So till then, today's day comes to an end, and wait for the day 6 because it's gonna be more amazing, more enthusiastic and more excited. So stay tuned.